All right, welcome back. We've got Emily Frankowski from Connect2Culture in studio this morning, and there is so much going on in the Joplin area.
There is.
Let's just get started.
Yes, it's so exciting, and it's, starting to warm up, be outside. The first one is perfect for that because it is Connect2Culture's performance of Me Like Bees.
Ooh!
So this is the first outdoor concert at the Harry M. Cornell Arts and Entertainment Complex. So you can tell there will be a little learning curve. It's our new home. This is the first time we've been outside, but we're looking forward to it. We're gonna have Me Like Bees, which is a locally based indie rock group. Most of them live in Joplin. And the opening band is The Science Of, which is also kind of a newer alternative rock group in Joplin. But it's $20 general admission. It is May 13th at 7:30 p.m. Doors at 6:30. It's going to be a lot of fun. If you've never seen Me Like Bees perform, high energy, so much fun, really thoughtful and clever lyrics to their songs too. And they're just such likable guys. Mm-hmm. So that's one that's coming up we're really excited about. And then we go on to Joplin Goes to the Movies with Captain Salvation.
And this is part of the celebration of Joplin's centennial.
Yes, the 150th birthday of Joplin. And they're doing a bunch of different films that either have events related to Joplin or people that are from Joplin. This is a movie with Pauline Stark, who is a native of Joplin. And what's really cool about this, it's a silent film. It will be at the Cornell Complex in the B-Shore Performance Hall, but there will be a live piano accompaniment by Bill Rowland, who is also, from Joplin, and he's a special ragtime pianist. So it's going to be really, old-timey.
You feel like you're back in the day, but with much more comfortable seats.
Exactly, very comfortable seating. So definitely put that on free admission, no tickets necessary. And then we go on to another sesquicentennial event with Iconic Joplin, which is currently on display in Spiva Center for the Arts, which is inside the Cornell complex now. And there are 6 different Lego creations that spotlight historic Joplin structures. So teens have gotten together, worked as teams, and they've created these, and now it's your turn to go there and vote for your favorite.
I've been wondering what the plan is for these, after the exhibit's over, because you don't want to just tear them down,
I know.
And, I mean, they're so cool.
That one on the right is the Olivia Apartments, and it's actually on fire, which, it recently did have a fire, but now is being restored. So it's kind of a historic little Lego structure in and of itself.
It's a piece of history, all of it is, yes.
And then the last one on this list, definitely not the last event going on in Joplin, is Fundamentals of Paint Pouring with Mary Parks, who is a local artist, and this is for ages 9+. Okay. But I thought I'd throw this in there for those that are looking to get a little bit more creative and start their, relationship with the arts. It's May 27th, a Saturday at 6 p.m. at Local Color Art Gallery and Studio, which is inside the Griffin Building on Main Street. And Mary will just teach you how to, create wonderful paint pouring works of art. It looks really relaxing to me. I think the whole concept is you just keep pouring paint on it.
That's so cool. Fun for the whole family, too.
Exactly.
Ages 9 and up. Where can you find out more information about these events and all your other events?
Yeah, so all of the events, Connect2Culture.org. You can look up our performances there, but if you look at our calendar, we keep track of every arts and cultural group's events. So we make it really easy for you to get access to all of the artsy-fartsy stuff you'd like to see.
All right, well, once again, thank you so much for coming in, Emily.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.